Punctuation perfection. Mastering the art of question marks. Hello, and welcome to another enlightening episode of our English language learning series. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of punctuation, specifically focusing on one of the most essential punctuation marks, the question mark. By the end of this video, you'll be a master in using question marks appropriately in your emails, letters, and other pieces of writing. The question mark is a punctuation symbol that is used at the end of a sentence to indicate that the sentence is a question. It turns a sentence into an inquiry or request. Here's an example. What is your name? Here, the question mark at the end of the sentence shows that it is a question, and an answer is expected. It might seem straightforward, but there are specific cases where the use of question marks can be tricky. Let's explore when to use them. 1. Direct questions. The most common use of the question mark is at the end of direct questions. Do you have a pencil? 2. Choice questions. If a sentence presents a choice, each option is followed by a question mark. Should I wear the blue dress? Or the red one? 3. Tag questions. Tag questions are mini questions at the end of statements, and they should also end with question marks. You're coming to the party, aren't you? 4. Indirect questions. These are trickier. Indirect questions often don't end with question marks because they are not asking something directly. They are usually embedded within another sentence. I wonder if she is coming to the party. Here, even though there is a sense of question or doubt, no question mark is used as it is an indirect question. Knowing when not to use a question mark is as important as knowing when to use one. Here are some scenarios. 1. Declarative sentences. These are statements or expressions of opinions or beliefs. They do not require a question mark, even if they contain an interrogative word. What a beautiful day it is. 2. Exclamatory sentences. These express strong emotions or surprise. They end with an exclamation mark, not a question mark, even if they start with what or how. What a lovely surprise. 3. Indirect questions. As mentioned before, indirect questions do not usually end with question marks. She asked me if I could help her with the project. And there we have it. Mastering the use of the question mark can really help your writing become more precise and clear. Always remember, the key to learning is practice. So, keep writing, keep asking questions, and keep using those question marks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.